hot stones. You really can be as creative with them as you like when you are working. So there's really no set rule as to when you have to use them and when you don't have to use them. However, with Massage 321, we tend to start with using the salt stones when our clients are on their side. So with your client in side lying position, you've worked the deltoids with a nice forearm work, your nice soft wrist, followed through down to the spine of the scapula, chromium origin. Once you've done that, that's when we then go into incorporating these stones. So I now come to seated position, and we have a great opportunity to work the supraspinatus right along here. Now, of course, we're also covering the traps, and we have our salt stone right here. Now, this is a great temperature. It's I can hold it in my hand, it's not too hot. However, if you ever find yourself with a salt stone that's right on the edge of maybe possibly being too warm, you can do a couple things. You can put it on a tile, you can put it on a glass table, something that's cold, because as quickly as these stones warm up and absorb heat, they also absorb cold. So another idea is your lateral arm is actually a very cool area, literally, and you can just swipe with your stone on your lateral arm, and what that will do is the stone will absorb that cold and it'll cut that temperature down very quickly. So once you feel like it's the right temperature for your client, again, the quick motion on that lateral arm of your client, so their nervous system feels that warmth. Now, as we're also coming along here, we're also working the levator scapular as well. There's two ways of working with the salt stones. You can have an active motion or a passive motion. Now, a passive motion is this one right here, where I literally have the stone settled and nestled between my hand and my client's body. It's delivering the warmth, and my thumb and my fingers, if needed, are able to do some work. So here I'm doing some pummeling right along the supraspinatus, right along here. I have the heat in a passive motion, just sitting there applying the heat.